Hello, team. So I'm just doing a quick video recap of the trade that I took today. So just quickly, if we look at the higher time frames, you guys know that I had mentioned that price had been in the same range since open of yesterday. As you can see, it's open yesterday. And so if we just kind of take a look, just go down to the 1 minute. That's why I said I'm not interested in taking a trade until we break the range. And so we were within the London session for since yesterday. You can see that's the high and it's the low. And so once we broke the range, we were still kind of, in between. But once we retested twice. I'm on a 1 minute. I've been executing on the 1 minute a lot lately. And so we broke. And so that was my entry right here. And, you know, if you're doing trading level to level, you can kind of stop at the psych numbers. One thing I've noticed is that NQ doesn't really, it goes past the psych numbers. So if you ever notice, it's like the 96s to the 88 area. And so my take profit was at 21,088, which I could have, took it further if I wanted to, but I'm kind of a level to level trader. And I had two, so I could have, sold one and kept a runner, but the plan is the plan. So also yesterday I told you guys to make a note that if NQ keeps selling, then what? We wanted to just look at the daily. There's fair value gaps, fair value gap, fair value gap. And so what I recommended doing was drawing your fib from the low to the high of this candlestick. And then you'll see that price retraced perfectly back to the point 0.5 before bouncing back up. And that was about 100 point move to the upside. And so great momentum to the downside. When we don't like to trade consolidation, range breaks typically provide momentum. And there was momentum there. This was about, a 70, 80 point drop. If my math is math, and if not, you get the picture. And then it bounced right at the point 0.5 Fibonacci and then, went up. So if you missed the downside, if you had your fib level drawn, then it would have gave you opportunity to catch the upside.